Front desk?
It hurts.
Oh, wow, you got coral right there in your leg.
Can you get out of my leg, please, hotel man? Do you do something about that?
Oh, I'd love to, you know, but hotel policy, they don't let me do that kind of thing. They get all weirded out, insurance or...
Kunu, can you call the front desk for me, please?
Yeah.
It really hurts.
Kunu, call the front desk, now!
Okay, monster man.
He's not gonna do nothing.
I'm trying to have this thing about blood, okay?
Look at it, it's raping my leg. Peter, get it out of my fucking leg, please.
1, 2...
Can you get it out?
It's really in there.
Get it out of me!
3.
Oh, fuck my ass!
Okay, I got it. It's all done. It's all over.
Oh,
Everything looks fine. Oh.
It's all good. They're coming wiki-wiki.
Can you get some towels for me, please? I'm really losing a lot of blood.
You sound like you're from London.
Yeah, I'm from London.